Older homes in Rowlett offer character, charm, and established neighborhoods, but they also come with unique challenges, especially when it comes to windows. Original or aging windows may no longer perform well, leading to drafts, difficult operation, and uneven comfort. When it's time to replace windows in an older Rowlett home, double-hung windows are often the best choice. Their classic design, adaptability, and modern performance make them ideal for preserving charm while improving comfort. A style that matches traditional architecture. Many older Rowlett homes feature traditional architectural elements that can be disrupted by modern-looking window styles. Double-hung windows maintain a timeless appearance that blends seamlessly with classic designs. For Rowlett homeowners, choosing double-hung windows allows for modern upgrades without sacrificing the home's original aesthetic. Designed to fit older window openings. Older homes often have window openings that differ from today's standard sizes. Double-hung windows are highly adaptable and can be customized to fit non-standard openings. In Rowlett residences, this flexibility makes double-hung windows a practical solution that avoids major structural changes. Improved ventilation control in older homes. Ventilation can be a challenge in older homes that weren't designed with modern airflow in mind. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to open both the top and bottom sashes. This feature improves airflow control in Rowlett homes, helping maintain comfort without over-reliance on mechanical systems. Easier operation than aging windows. Older windows may be difficult to open or close due to worn hardware or warped frames. Modern double-hung windows operate smoothly and are easier to manage. For Rowlett homeowners, this improved usability enhances daily comfort and convenience. Reducing drafts and improving comfort. Drafts are common in older homes with aging windows. Double-hung replacement windows are designed with tight seals and improved insulation. In Rowlett homes, this helps reduce drafts and maintain more consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. Supporting better indoor air quality. Older windows often allow dust, pollen, and outdoor pollutants to enter through gaps. Double-hung windows with modern sealing technology create a stronger barrier. For Rowlett residents, this contributes to cleaner indoor air and a healthier living environment. Enhancing natural light without major renovation. Replacing outdated windows with modern double-hung designs often results in clearer glass and improved light transmission. In older Rowlett homes, this upgrade brightens interiors without changing the home's layout. Easy maintenance. For older properties. Maintaining older homes already requires time and effort. Modern double-hung windows often include tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning. For Rowlett homeowners, this reduces maintenance time and makes window care more manageable. Preserving home value while upgrading performance. Double-hung windows enhance comfort and usability while preserving architectural integrity. In Rowlett neighborhoods, this balance helps maintain or even increase home value. Professional installation is key. Older homes require careful installation to address uneven frames or settling. Professional installers ensure proper fit and sealing. For Rowlett homeowners, professional installation ensures double-hung windows deliver lasting performance. A smart window choice for older Rowlett homes. Double-hung windows are an excellent solution for older Rowlett homes. Their classic style, adaptability, improved ventilation, and modern performance make them a natural fit. With professional installation, they provide comfort, efficiency, and lasting value, while preserving the charm that makes older Rowlett homes special.